Us. Hello everyone. Today's session is going to be related to some fitness drills. Actually, this drill is not only for one section of students. Everyone can do this drill. So focus on it. I have kept 4 ladders here as a marker, but at home you can very well use 4 water bottles to keep it as a marking point. I have kept 4. You can keep 5 or 6. The children can keep it to 4. The grown-ups can keep it to 6 or 8 maybe. So that's up to you. So one by one I'm going to teach you few drills which you can use, which you can practice every day at home. Remember, this is going to help you in improving your feet movement as well as your kicks. To start with, we will just simply begin with normal jogging. So when I say normal jogging, it's like relaxing your body and just moving around. So maybe you can do normal jogging around this. Okay? You can finish off 5. The children can do 5. Okay? And after the grown-ups can do 8 to 10. Maybe the class 9-10s can do 8 to 10. So once you finish 5, take the reverse movement. Okay, the reverse movement. It's very easy, children. You just need to jog around the markers that you have kept. So very, very easy movements I am showing you. Okay? You can go 5 to 8 to 10. It depends totally upon your age. The juniors can do it, as I said, 5 times and then reverse 5 times. The seniors can do it to 8 times, to 10 times or 12 times also, not a problem. But for this, you need to follow each and every step in a very relaxed way. So why I'm saying the relaxed is, if you keep your body very stiff while practicing, while doing this jogging, you will be getting tired very soon. So I suggest you people to do this in a very, very, very relaxed way. So that was the first drill what I showed you, the normal jogging. So now the next one what you can do is you can go straight, come back. And then you can turn, go straight, come back. And then you can go straight, come back. Okay? This drill, again, you can do it for 5 sets. The seniors can do it 8 to 10 or 12 sets. Remember, this is like going backwards. So be very careful when you're going back to it. Because don't topple around the bottle or anything which you keep in front of you on the floor. So this is the second drill. This helps you enhance your concentration when you are jogging. So be very careful with this movement when you're doing this. Now the third drill. Remember, we are gradually increasing the ways of doing this running movements. So you can take a lap. You can go to the first one, come back. Go to the second one, come back. Go to the last one, come back. And then you can change the side. Go to the first, come back. Go to the second, come back. Go to the third one, come back. And then you can change side again. Similarly, first, back. Second, back. Third, back. Then repeat first, back. Second, back. Third, back. So this going coming one and then that side one is 1 set. The juniors can do it for 5 times, 5 sets. Again, seniors can do it for 8 times. Then the more grown-ups can do 10 to 12 times. This is how you should do it. The juniors are requested not to do this drill for 10 to 12 times. You can do it in a very relaxed way for 5 times, 6 times, whatever, not more than that. Coming to the fourth one. Fourth one is just going zigzag. See this, you can just go zigzag. zigzag, and then you turn, and then you go zigzag, and then you turn, and you go zigzag. See, it's easy. You just need to watch. Go zigzag. These are all easy drills which you can practice. I know everyone is at home now doing nothing actually, but these drills can help you do at least a little bit of running, jogging, and improving your stamina. Your parents can also do this at the same time. So we did 4 drills, normal 4 drills. One more drill that I would like to show you is going on side. Watch. You go side, back, side, back, and then again, and then again, and then again. This is one set. Then you begin the second set. After the second, you can continue with the third, fourth, and fifth, as I said, for the juniors. For the seniors, it can be 8 to 10 times or 12 times. It's not a thing that you need to have these ladders or markers as such for your training. As I have already told you, you can keep a bottle, the water bottle that you use at home, even as a marker. Practice this. In the next video, I will be showing you more drills based on these ladders. Have a safe time at home.